Hello guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is Blowfish algorithm. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel. And friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. Let's start our video. See, this Blowfish algorithm is used to convert 64-bit plain text into 64-bit cipher text. See, what is plain text? See, plain text is nothing but actual message. See, if you want to send actual message in internet, for example, see this, for example, there is user, you want to send bank account number to another user. So if you suppose bank account number is 1234, so this bank account number is plain text. So if we directly send this bank account number to another user, then there is third person, hacker can hack it. So in order to protect information from hackers, we need to encrypt this message. So that I will convert this message as 33123433. Like this, I will convert such plain text. So process of converting plain text into encrypted message is known as ciphertext. So I will send this ciphertext to this user. So what this person do? This person identify this message 33123433. So that I will text him that actual have encrypted this message. So by using algorithm, this person can decrypt it. See, for example, this plain text is 64-bit and the ciphertext is 64-bit. See, the process of converting 64-bit plain text into 64-bit ciphertext is done by Blowfish algorithm. This Blowfish algorithm is used for fast conversion of plain text into ciphertext, and it is used in 32-bit microprocessor. See, this Blowfish algorithm is used in 32-bit microprocessors. This Blowfish algorithm contains two parts. First one is round structure and second one is key expansion. See the structure of round structure. See, I will take plain text with 64-bit. What I do is I will divide this plain text into two parts. See, for example, there is plain text ABCD. I will divide this plain text into two parts. First one is XL. XL means left side part and XR means right side part. See, AB is left side part and CD is right side part. So what I do is I XOR this plain text, that is AB, with one key. See, F is nothing but key. For example, key is H. So what I do is this symbol is known as XOR. So I will XOR this AB with H, and I will XOR this right side part, that is right side text CD. So what it will become? ABHCD. Similarly send this right side part left side and left side part right side. See, this is known as process 1 and this is known as process 2. See, repeat this same process 13 more times, and at last at process 16. See, at last at process 16 is send here, and process 16 right side part is sent here. See, this last process is known as process 18. So after performing till process 18, so ciphertext is generated, which is of 64-bit. This is known as Blowfish algorithm round structure. See, for example, there is text 51 comma 52, both are 8-bit, both are XORed with, see, there are 4 32-bit, 8 16, 24 and 32. See, this 32-bit text is divided into two parts. 51 and 52 is left side part and this 52 is right side part. See, after both are XORed, I will take another right side part as 53 and I will XOR this with this. Similarly, after XOR is completed, after I XORed, I will take another text 54 and at last I will XOR this. This is how this uh, blowfish algorithm is going to work. See, 8, 8, 16, 24, 32. See, these four are of 32 bit. This is the structure of blowfish algorithm. See, these boxes are nothing but S boxes. I'm going to insert these numbers here as 51, 52, 53, 54. So I will perform XOR operation for this numbers. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.